Welcome to the first video of the Dancing Warrior Yoga series. In this video we're going to be looking at the breath, cultivating a nice conscious breath cycle. This breath cycle is called Ujjayi Pranayama. What that means and translates as is the extended victorious breath. With this breath sequence, if you imagine that you're holding a mirror up into your hand and you're fogging the mirror, you can hear that gentle roar in the back of the throat. We want to be able to do that roar with our eyes closed and our mouth closed. So it's actually using the muscles in the back of the throat to swell and slightly contract in the glottis there in the back of the throat. And the more you practice it, the more you'll find that this comes with ease. So together, what we're going to look at is the breath almost resembling a box. So when we inhale, that's one section of the breath. Then there's a plateau and a pause, which is a breath retention. The inhale, breath retention, and then we have the exhale, which is the exhale towards the bottom where we plateau and have a breath retention at the bottom. So together, I'd like us to come to Jnana Mudra, which symbolizes, it's a beautiful mudra which symbolizes higher consciousness, higher thinking, higher states of awareness. So thumb and index together, making sure that the crown sits directly above the tailbone, so my spine is nice and upright. I don't want to collapse through my chest. So we're going to close our eyes, using the muscles in the back of the throat. We exhale fully. We slowly breathe in through the nose. 1, 2, 3. Little pause at the top. And then we slowly exhale. 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom, holding the breath out. We slowly draw the breath in. 1, 2, 3. Pause and hold the breath in at the top. And then slowly breath out. 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom. Breath slowly enters, only about 60% lung capacity. Pause and hold the breath in at the top. And then slowly breath out. Pause and hold the breath out at the bottom. In your own time, staying with the 3-3 breath, making the rhythm comfortable, and just fine-tuning that subtle kind of sound that we have in the back of the throat there. It's almost like the sound of the ocean. And with our eyes closed, we're peering in towards our heart space, and that's said to be where the soul resides. So finding that lovely sense and taste of joy that we have there in the heart space, that brings us closer towards our truer self, our higher self. I find bringing a gentle smile to my face also helps me move towards a quieter, blissful state of surrender. Keeping the face, throat and neck completely calm and relaxed. No tension of the jaw. And sometimes we turn the tongue up just to rest on the top of the mouth, behind the tops of the 2 front teeth. And that's said to create a link between the body and the mind. Once we feel we've established a nice qualitative breath cycle, could be anything from 10, 20, 40 breaths. We want to gently from there open our eyes and prepare ourselves mentally taking this breath into the next video. Enjoy.